A perfect after-school snack or a fun way to enjoy apples, whatever the excuse is, these are so delicious. They taste just like an apple pie with the crust and the filling in every single bite, but they're way easier to make. My favorite part is that I'm not deep frying them, I'm air frying them, so less mess and more happy smiles. First thing first, get out your air fryer and put it on a safe, well-ventilated area. Sometimes air fryers can waft nasty smells through your house, but this recipe will make your house smell like a cottage in the early fall in an apple orchard. Anyways, let's talk apples. I'm using 2 Granny Smith apples because I love the tartness. It's a great apple that holds up really well when baking or frying. Other options that work really well are the Honeycrisp and the Pink Lady. What's your favorite apple? We're going to peel our washed apples. The coating that we're going to put on doesn't stick too well to that waxy peel, so go ahead and get rid of that peel. Now that our apples are peeled, we're going to slice those into 1/2 inch sticks. And I do that by cutting off all 4 sides of the apple, and then I get rid of the core. Then take those sections and simply slice them into sticks. Slide that aside and let's make our coating. To mix our coating mixture, you could use a bag or a bowl. I prefer the bag trick. Add to your bag 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground clove. Seal that up and mix it until it's well combined. Now we simply just add those apples into that coating mixture, seal it up, and shake until coated. And just that simple, those apple slices are fully coated and ready to fry. Take your coated apple slices and place them in the air fryer basket. Make sure there's plenty of space between the slices so that the air can flow around it entirely. Now in order to get that fried, extra delicious crispy coating, you need to give that dry coating some fat. So spritz those slices with a little bit of cooking oil until it's lightly covered. To cook these, we need to set our air fryer to 375-380 degrees and cook these for 10 minutes. When they've cooked about 5 minutes, go ahead and flip those slices over. And if you see any dry spots, go ahead and spritz that with some extra oil. And let them finish cooking the remaining 5 minutes. Once they are done cooking, the exterior will be perfectly crispy and golden. The hardest part's going to be deciding if you want to dip it in Rachel's classic marshmallow dip or my apple bourbon caramel sauce. Both of those you can find over on the website. Either way, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.